Welcome to an extraordinary display of raw power and precision. Today, you're about to witness one of the most impressive machines in the world of heavy equipment, the Caterpillar 6015B Excavator, operating at the renowned Sotiriadis Mining Works. This is not just any excavation operation. This is the moment where engineering mastery meets skilled operator control, as this massive machine loads dump trucks in just 2 passes. Stay with us, because what you're about to see is heavy machinery at its absolute best. As we get started, let's take a closer look at what makes the Caterpillar 6015B truly exceptional. In this video, you'll see the excavator in full action, moving massive amounts of material with astonishing speed and accuracy. From its advanced hydraulic systems to the precision of its operator, every detail of this operation is designed to maximize efficiency and productivity in a mining environment. Watch closely as the excavator swings, digs, and loads dump trucks with seemingly effortless power, all while maintaining perfect balance and control. The Caterpillar 6015B Excavator is a behemoth in the world of mining machinery. With an operating weight exceeding 615,000 pounds, it is engineered to handle some of the heaviest loads in the industry. Its powerful Cat C32 ACERT engine delivers over 1,150 horsepower, providing the energy required to move enormous quantities of material quickly and efficiently. The hydraulic system is state-of-the-art, offering smooth, responsive control for both precision digging and rapid swing motions. This combination of brute strength and fine control allows the 6015B to operate in demanding mining environments while minimizing wear and tear on components. From the cab, the operator commands this massive machine with remarkable ease. Advanced controls provide intuitive operation, allowing precise movements of the boom, stick, and bucket. The operator's skill is crucial here. Every swing, every dip of the bucket is calculated to achieve maximum load with minimum effort. You'll notice how the excavator approaches each truck, aligns perfectly, and fills it in just 2 passes, an efficiency feat that sets the 6015B apart from many other machines in its class. The working mode of the Caterpillar 6015B is specifically designed for high-volume operations. Watch closely as it digs into the material, lifts, and swings with a fluid motion that seems almost effortless for a machine of this size. The bucket, designed for maximum capacity and durability, moves tons of material in each scoop. Look at this angle as the bucket tips into the dump truck, filling it with precision while minimizing spillage. The efficiency of these passes ensures that mining operations remain on schedule and production targets are consistently met. One of the most fascinating aspects of this operation is the loading style. The 6015B uses a combination of reach and swing speed that allows it to fill dump trucks quickly without sacrificing stability. The undercarriage provides a solid foundation even on uneven terrain, while the advanced hydraulic system absorbs shocks and maintains smooth operation. Watch as the excavator makes what appears to be a complex maneuver look completely natural, loading trucks positioned at slightly different angles with ease. This is a true demonstration of engineering excellence paired with human skill. Production efficiency is another area where the 6015B shines. By completing the loading process in just 2 passes, it reduces cycle times dramatically. This not only saves fuel and reduces operational costs, but also increases overall site productivity. Each pass is carefully calculated, taking into account the truck's position, the material's density, and the optimal bucket fill. The result is a flawless rhythm of digging, swinging, and dumping that keeps the mining operation moving at peak performance. While watching this, you might notice the sheer scale of the operation. The dump trucks themselves are massive, yet the 6015B handles them with ease. Its ability to move enormous volumes of material quickly makes it an indispensable tool in modern mining operations. The combination of power, precision, and reliability ensures that every shift is productive, every load is optimized, and every piece of machinery on site works in perfect harmony. It's also worth highlighting some real-world performance facts about the Caterpillar 6015B. This machine is capable of moving up to 65 cubic meters of material per bucket load, depending on material type. With fuel-efficient systems and advanced monitoring, operators can track performance metrics in real time, ensuring optimal operation throughout the day. The machine's robust design allows it to withstand harsh mining conditions, from rocky terrain to extreme temperatures, making it a reliable choice for continuous operation. As we continue to watch, notice the operator's focus and timing. Every motion is precise: the approach to the truck, the scoop depth, the swing speed, and the placement of the load. These actions aren't random. They're the result of years of experience, training, and an intimate understanding of the machine's capabilities. Watching this in action gives a real appreciation for the synergy between man and machine in heavy industry. Look at this shot as the excavator swings its full load into the truck bed. The coordination is incredible, and yet for this skilled operator, it's second nature. The Caterpillar 6015B's advanced technology supports these actions with responsive hydraulics, an ergonomic cab, and precise control systems. Every movement is smooth, every load is full, and every cycle contributes to the overall efficiency of the mining operation. If you're enjoying this demonstration, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more incredible heavy machinery action. Leave a comment below letting us know what part of this operation impressed you the most. We love hearing from fellow heavy equipment enthusiasts, whether you're an industry professional or just fascinated by these giants at work. As we near the conclusion of this operation, take a moment to appreciate the scale and efficiency on display. The Caterpillar 6015B Excavator, with its unmatched power and precision, is more than just a machine. It's a cornerstone of modern mining operations. Watching it load trucks in just 2 passes highlights not only its engineering brilliance, but also the skill and expertise of the operator behind the controls. In the next video, we'll take you even deeper into mining operations, showcasing more heavy machinery working in tandem to achieve extraordinary results. Be sure to stay tuned for more cinematic action, incredible machines, and real-world demonstrations of industrial power. Thank you for watching, and as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Your support allows us to bring these spectacular machines directly to your screen, giving you an up-close view of the incredible work happening in mines and construction sites around the world. Until next time, keep your eyes on the machines and watch the power of the Caterpillar 6015B in action.